Hi, welcome to our introductory course of molecular self-assembly. Here we will discuss the spontaneous aggregation of molecules into structures of high order utilizing soft interactions. The self-assembly process manifests the principal mechanism with which molecules aggregate to form hierarchical structures, from simple spherical micelles and self-aggregated networks to complex systems such as bone in a living organism. The focus of this course is on the thermodynamic principles of self-assembly involving amphiphilic molecules such as surfactants and lipids. By the end of this course, you will have learned about forces involved in self-assembly, such as van der Waals forces and hydrogen bonding, obtained knowledge on the fundamental origins for self-induced molecular structuring, such as hydrophobic interactions and solvation forces, and obtained a mathematical and analytical toolset to predict and analyze self-assembly processes. If this speaks to you, hope to see you in this course.